If you need to extract a zip file inside Hosting or File Manager, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's a simple task, but if you've never used Hostinger's dashboard before, it can feel a little confusing at first. So in this video, I'll show you exactly where to click, how to find your zip file, and how to extract it into the correct folder. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your Hostinger dashboard and sign in to the account that manages your website. Once you're in, look at the main menu and click on Websites. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed. After that, find the website you want to work on and click Dashboard next to it. This takes you into the control panel for that specific site. From here, open File Manager. File Manager is where you can access your website files directly without needing FTP or any extra software. Once it opens, you'll usually want to go into the public_HTML folder. In most cases, this is the main folder where your website files are stored, so if you're uploading or extracting something for your live site, this is often the correct location. Now, look for your zip file inside that folder. If you already uploaded it, you should see it in the file list. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct zip file, especially if you have multiple compressed files in the same location. When you found it, right-click the file to bring up the context menu. In the menu that appears, click Extract. Hostinger will then ask you where you want to extract the contents. This is an important step because you want to make sure the files go into the right location on your site. In most cases, you can keep the default folder, but always double-check the path before continuing. Once you've confirmed the location, click Extract again to start the process. Hostinger will unpack the zip file and place all of the contents into that folder. Depending on the size of the archive, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. When it finishes, you should see the extracted files appear inside the folder. At this point, it's a good idea to verify that everything extracted properly. You can open the folder and check that the files and subfolders are there. If you were uploading a website theme, backup, plugin files, or a project folder, this is the moment to confirm that all the contents were successfully unpacked. If something doesn't look right, the most common issue is extracting into the wrong directory, so always make sure you're in the correct folder before you start. For websites, public_HTML is usually the main destination, but depending on your setup, you may need to extract into a subfolder instead. And that's it. You've now learned how to extract a zip file in Hosting or File Manager. It's a really useful skill for managing website files quickly and efficiently, especially when you're restoring backups, installing templates, or moving files around your hosting account. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.